Hi, it's Manali from Taste in the Life, and today I'll be showing you how to make my really quick everything in the kitchen sink bone broth. So first thing with bone broth, it's really easy to make. All you really need is just the scraps in your kitchen. There are a few key ingredients that you need, such as bones. But other than that, you can use basic vegetables like celery, carrots, parsley, and mushrooms and make it in just a few minutes. So the first thing that you need is the bones. So I had a leftover lamb bone and a chicken bone from my dinner this week. And so I'm putting that in. I also have 3 stalks of celery, 1 carrot, a small bunch of parsley, just a little handful, 3 garlic cloves, and 5 mushrooms. And then a sprinkle of salt and pepper, which as you can see is already on the celery. Then basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put all of this in my handy Instant Pot. And then I am going to fill it to the top with water. So I have 4 cups here. So I'm gonna fill it up one more time. Close the Instant Pot. So as you can see, I am closing the Instant Pot. I'm going to plug it in. And then the great thing about the Instant Pot is it's so easy to use. All the buttons are very explanatory. So I'm going to go to pressure cook, and then I'm going to set it for 30 minutes. And then I am going to wait a second. It's just going to start on its own. And then we'll set it and forget it, and we'll come back in 30 minutes. It's on. And then we're going to have some great bone broth to enjoy.